Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to log in Crelan Bank online. So friends, if you want to log in online banks, follow me on this video guide. So go to Google, search for Crelan Bank and then click the first bank result. You will see this official website here. When you click this result here, you will see this bank. All you have to do, go to sign in option from the top right corner. When you click on sign in option, just a way to see this official login page. So friends, on this one, you should be choose a language here and then scroll down, click this one, create a new one. Click here guys to connection, click this one. So from here, write your identity utilizer or write your identity here, your user here. For example, this is your user, this one for example. After that, write your all details, friends, and then write your user ID and then click log in. So friends, this is for identifications, log in. If you want to log in with your app, just click Crelan Bank app, download this app on Google Play or App Store. When you download this app, you can log in successfully without any problem. So friends, any question down below in the comment, right here, just your user identity for more information down below in the comment, and I will answer your question.